Welcome to the spectacular family home, ideally situated in the desirable Pallisads, Hallinan area on a quiet cul-de-sac. This classic mid-century home is in a peaceful setting with a new oversized cedar deck and picturesque views. Heading inside, you'll discover a warm and inviting interior with large picture windows providing tons of natural light and 3 wood-burning fireplaces. Enjoy tranquil views of the valley in this spacious home of more than 3,000 square feet. The updated kitchen is light and bright with gorgeous quartz countertops, plenty of storage space, breakfast bar seating, and contemporary fixtures. There's plenty of space for everyone with 5 well-sized bedrooms and 2.5 baths. On the lower level, a more than 1,400 square foot great room features a new high-end carpet. Enjoy your favorite beverage on the oversized deck in this peaceful and tranquil setting. Other features include air conditioning, new exterior paint, new cedar fencing, and a new 50-year composition roof. It's also conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, and parks. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Leslie Kelley with Premier Property Group at 503-277-8306. For financing options, please contact Travis Olson with Director's Mortgage.